Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the Play Store and going straight to settings under your profile. You need the exact Google account that configured parental controls, otherwise you can't change them. Once there, tap Family, because parental controls live under that menu. Make sure you have the PIN or Family Link Parental Access ready now. Without it, you'll hit a block. This first step prepares the app and confirms you're operating from the controlling account before you attempt any changes. Once you've unlocked parental controls with the PIN, decide whether to disable entirely or adjust content restrictions by category. You can toggle the master parental controls off, which removes all filters, or open each category, apps, games, movies, books, and loosen age limits individually. If the device is managed via Family Link, you must use the Family Link parent app instead. The Play Store will direct you. Take your time to set the right level, because these choices control what installs and streams on the child's device. After changing settings, confirm and exit the menu, then force close Play Store and reopen to ensure the change applied. Try installing a previously blocked app to verify removal. If the device is shared, sign out of the parent account when finished and reboot the device so caches update. If you can't proceed because you forgot the PIN, don't attempt risky workarounds. Instead, use Family Link Parental app to reset permissions or follow Google account recovery steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.